Look, most people treat Trust Wallet like a digital mattress. They just hide their crypto under it and hope for the best. If you have seen this premium XP reward tab sitting in your screen and you thought they were just a participation trophy, you might want to think again. Well, I'm Mark, and today I'm showing you how it works. So what is Trust Premium? Well, head over to your Trust Wallet app, jump into the Rewards tab down below. These two boxes right here, the XP to Bronze and your XP balance, that's your scoreboard. It's not a subscription. You aren't paying for this. It's a 14-day sprint to see how much of a discount you actually deserve. Click on the XP balance display. Here's the catch. It resets every 2 weeks. It's a grind. You need 100 XP just to hit Bronze. Now here's the question people have been asking me. How can I make money with this?
I have no experience, but I'm a big fan of money.
Apparently, you can make daily earnings from the Trust Premium XP reward program, but first, you need two things: a Telegram app and, of course, Trust Wallet mobile app. If you don't have Telegram, go visit your App Store or Google Play on your mobile device to download the official Telegram app. Now that you have Telegram, let's jump right into it. The Trust Premium Reward Program is currently integrated in your Telegram app with an incredible robust API. This Telegram bot pushes real-time notifications and handles transactions in milliseconds without even breaking a sweat. Now open your Trust Wallet app. Click on the gear icon in the top left corner. Now click on Trust Handles. It says no handles created. If you haven't created a trust handle yet, no worries. Just click on Register Handle. Okay, well now you need a name for your trust handle. This could be literally anything that you can think of as far as it hasn't been claimed by anyone yet. Now enter a handle name, Trustmark. Great, that's available. Click on Continue Confirm. Alright, we have officially created a trust handle. Now navigate back to home. Keep in mind that you need the trust handle in this next step. Now open your Telegram app. Now we are currently in the Trust Premium XP Telegram bot. You can find the link to the official Trust Premium XP bot down here in the comments section below. Just click on the link to arrive exactly on the Telegram bot. Okay, so click on the Start button, okay, then click on Open App. Alright, we are currently in the Trust Premium Program app right now. As you can see here, everything looks great. Toggle light mode. Nice. So this is really cool. You can also download the Trust Wallet app. If you don't have Trust Wallet app yet, click on the Yes button. Okay, cool. So now let's get started. Click on the Get Started button. Enter a Trust Premium handle. Since I have already created one earlier in this video, now I will input my trust handle, which I have created. So here we go, Trust. All right, now click on Connect Wallet, connected. Great. Now we are currently in the Trust Premium XP bot. Whoa, there is the prediction markets. Cool. I would really like to show you all of the cool features in this app, but in today's video, I would be showing you how to earn XP rewards and swap XP into USDT instantly. Here is the Swap XP button. Click on it. Oh, it says minimum of 500 XP is required to swap. You currently have 0 XP. Okay, all right. Well, let's go ahead and earn some XP tokens right away. Okay, now we have 700 XP tokens. That's more than the minimum swap, which is 500. Let's go ahead and swap the XP rewards tokens into USDT. So now, click on the swap now, then click on continue. Minimum received $3,291.90. Now that is a really good one. Now, I gotta complete the network fee, select a preferred cryptocurrency that you currently hold. At the moment, I actually hold way more than enough Solana tokens in my Trust Wallet app that covers the network fees instantly. So now I just copied the wallet address provided to my Trust Wallet app to complete the mandatory network fee needed for the Premium XP swap. Now sending network fee. Alright. Paste wallet address. Enter send amount. Okay. Now everything looks great. Click on next. Click on continue. Okay, perfect. The network fee has been sent successfully. Now let's jump back over to the Premium XP bot. Honestly, in less than 2 minutes, the swap should be totally complete. Oh wow, nice. There it is. I just received the swap directly to my designated wallet address in my Trust wallet. That was actually really fast. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out and watching. That's really all there is to it. If you have any questions at all, just drop them down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Peace.